Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to recover deleted files in Windows 11 without using any software, so you can restore lost files quickly. This works if the files were not permanently removed. First, double-click the Recycle bin on your desktop. Look through the list and find your deleted file. You can use the search bar in the top right corner to help. Once you find the file, right-click it. Click Restore. The file will return to its original location. Now check the original folder to confirm it is back. If the file is not in the Recycle bin, right-click inside the folder. Click Properties. Click the Previous Versions tab. If available, select an earlier version of the folder. Click Open to preview the contents. Find your file and copy it to a safe location. Or click Restore to recover the entire folder version. This works only if file history or system protection was previously enabled. If the file was permanently deleted and no previous version exists, recovery without software may not be possible. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.